You're inside, Fred.
Oh, okay.
So the lightning's our light.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you.
All the way forward. Fill the room, recruits. Fill the room. Come on in.
We're gonna have you go all the way across to the far side, filling in all the available space from front to back. Go all the way across to the far side and make room for those coming in behind.
All the way across, recruits. Do not stop in the middle of the room. All the way forward across. Do not stop.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Pontan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Jet doors opening now.
All recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta clear the path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
take up Blue!
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw them away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'm gonna get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'll come back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
The ship is now under jurisdiction of the First Order. Proceed to interrogation. You are resistance spies and enemies of the First Order. Proceed to interrogation.
Just me.
How many?
Just one here.
Two will be on red, two will be on red. One you'll be on orange.
Alright.
Oh, wait, are we supposed to move down? I think one is supposed to be.
Now, at this time, for everybody in my cell block, I advise you all stand side by side, shoulder to shoulder, and on your colors. Take a brief moment to memorize these colors I have assigned. You will not be memorizing them for you. These colors will be marked inside of your cell to make your interrogation process as quick and easy as possible. We have gray, we have orange, we have red, and we have blue. In a moment, the cell door right in front of me will be opening. We will be heading inside as quickly as possible to give us those answers that we need. The faster you give us those answers, the faster we'll be out. Now, blue and red head into the cell. Gray and orange follow right after.
Us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally. su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones de seguridad bien ajustados. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus...
Now, my friend, remember to let's go tap on your right hand side. Watch your hands, arms, feet, and legs. Yours are going to be close.
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We are breaching attention on breach.
Cover is through. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority device. Detection of fidelity. There they are! Fire! Cover recruits! This thing pops just below us! Take the left now! Hurry! Oh, not up! I said down! Requesting heavy weapons mobilization.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Find the vengeful cannons!
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking that part of the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? How's Beck feeling about this?
No, sir. He came down with the wreckage path.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him...
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.